How to do. Today you are going to learn how to use the if function in Microsoft Excel. In this video, we'll explore one of Excel's most powerful and most used functions, the if function. First, look at what is the if function. The if function lets you test a condition and return one value if it's true, and another if it's false. It's like saying, if this happens, do that. Otherwise, do something else. The basic syntax is, equals if, logical test, value if true, value if false, dot. Let's break that down. Logical test is the condition you want to check. Value if true is what Excel shows if the condition is met. Value if false is what Excel shows if the condition is not met. For example, let's say you want to check if a student's score is a pass or fail. You'd write, equals if open brackets, then logical test is if E9 greater than or equal 50, if logical test is met result will be pass, if logical test is not met result will be fail, then close the brackets dot. If the each values in average column is 50 or more, cell next to average column shows pass. If it's less than 50, it shows fail. Real life uses. The if function is super handy for grading systems, expense checks, commission eligibility, and more. You can also combine multiple ifs called nested ifs to check more than one condition. Or use it with other functions like and, or, and ifs for advanced logic. Quick tip. Want to speed things up? Type equals if and press tab. Excel will help guide you through the formula. And that's how you use the if function in Excel. It's a simple formula that can make your spreadsheet smarter and more powerful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tutorials, and next, we'll explore nested ifs and the more uses of ifs function.